Take a slow, gentle breath in and exhale with ease. Let this be your quiet moment before the week begins, a space where you release the pressure and reconnect with your calm. As you settle in, allow your shoulders to soften. Let your jaw relax. Let your mind open just a little more with each breath. Whatever happened last week is behind you. Whatever is coming this week can wait. Right now, you are here, and you are safe in this moment of stillness. Breathe in deeply, and let your exhale melt away the tension you've been carrying. The deadlines, the meetings, the expectations, let them drift to the edges of your awareness. You don't need to solve anything. You don't need to plan anything. This moment is for grounding, for calm, for focus. Imagine a quiet light at the center of your chest. Soft, steady, warm. With every inhale, this light grows a little stronger. With every exhale, it clears away the heaviness, the noise, the rush inside your mind. Repeat gently in your thoughts. I am calm. I am steady. I am ready for the week ahead. Feel your breath flow smoothly. Notice how your mind begins to settle, how the thoughts slow down. You are not overwhelmed. You are not behind. You are simply shifting into a clearer, more focused version of yourself. See yourself stepping into this new week with confidence. You're moving with purpose, not pressure. With clarity, not confusion. With focus, not fear. Every task will be handled with calm intention. Every challenge will be met with a grounded mind. You have the inner strength to move through this week with ease. Take another slow inhale and let go of any lingering stress as you exhale. You don't need to rush. You don't need to force anything. You are aligning yourself with balance and clarity, and that energy will guide you through everything ahead. Say quietly in your mind, I choose peace. I choose focus. I choose to begin this week with calm energy. Now picture the flow of your week ahead, not in detail, but in feeling. Meetings become manageable moments. Tasks become steps, not obstacles. You move through each one with grace, supported by a calm and steady mind. You are fully capable of creating the week you want. With every breath, feel your clarity sharpening. Your priorities becoming lighter. Your direction becoming clearer. Notice how grounded you are, how focused your energy feels. This level of peace supports your productivity, your decision-making, and your confidence. Allow yourself to release any pressure to be perfect. You don't need to get everything done at once. You don't need to carry the weight of the entire week. You only need to bring your presence, your intention, and your calm focus to each moment. That is enough. Let the feeling of inner balance settle deeper into your body. This is your foundation. This is your reset. You have everything you need within you to lead this week with strength, focus, and peace. Feel how steady you've become, how centered your breathing is, how clear your thoughts feel. This calm focus is yours to keep. You can return to it anytime you need it. Take one last deep breath in and exhale with the intention of stepping forward refreshed, grounded, and ready. Your week begins with peace, and so will you.